everyone. I finally got to try Sugar Factory. I did take the music off because it is very loud in here. Loud music, nonstop music. But everything in here was super cool. I've never done the Sugar Factory before, but I was in Atlanta, Georgia, and I'm staying at the Lowe's Hotel right across the street. And I'm like, oh my goodness, this is perfect. I did ask the lady here making desserts if I could do a recording. She was like, absolutely. She was very happy and welcoming. Everything she made looked so, look at that. Oh my goodness. Everything she made just looks so delicious. This is a cheesecake with some strawberry sauce topping. I don't even know what it's called, but it just looks so good. Their menu was not overwhelming, but it just wasn't a menu that I expected. I mean, there was so much to choose from, so many different things that you could order. Here she is making this dessert with some type of what's it called, with the graham crackers and the marshmallows. Oh, the s'mores. So she's putting on some type of chocolate Nutella spread, I guess. And she's going to add some really big marshmallows here. I noticed their desserts are like over the top, like they go above and beyond to make their desserts fun. And she was the only one back here. She was cranking them out, doing them all by herself. So she's doing a blowtorch here to give them that toasted, melted look. It was really neat to watch her put these desserts together while we were waiting for our table. Now, we did make reservations, but we just got there a couple minutes early, which was, I'm glad I did because I was able to see her in action. Put some whipped cream on here. I think next is going to be, she's going to break up some graham crackers to put on top, give it a little razzle dazzle. And then she's going to top it with a chunk of the Hershey's chocolate. I used to live 10 minutes from Hershey Park, so anytime I see somebody use real chocolate, Hershey's chocolate, I get so excited. Not a huge fan of s'mores, but watching her make this and see it all come together was really, really neat. I'm glad I got to see it. She was very nice too. Even though she was busy, she was still very friendly. So these are just some pictures they have of other celebrities that have been to this Sugar Factory. Their menu, the dessert menu, they have coffee and all kinds of things. Their regular menu has pictures of celebrities all over it. And we decided to get a couple things and just share. This was their rainbow sliders. Really good. This was the horchata. I don't know why that straw was so big, but it was delicious. I would go back and get that again. And we ordered the buffalo loaded fries.